G'day cocktail lovers. This is a 100-year-old cocktail that I really like the sound of. A lot of these older cocktails honestly aren't that good. When you get old cocktail books you think this will be fun, then you look at the recipe and taste a few and they're like, But on paper this one sounds pretty good. Like I said, it was from about 100 years ago. It was to celebrate a Vaudeville actor in Paris, Maud, and I won't try and pronounce her last name. And in fact, you know what? I'll really insult the French by trying to pronounce the name of the cocktail. It's the Et moi je te dis Maud. Now that does not translate very well because it's slang, or at least vernacular. How the vibe it's translating is, oh, that's Maud for you. So one would guess that there would be vaudeville routine. She was very popular comedy, big payoff, and someone goes, oh, that's Maud for you. This is Maud's drink for you. Now, it's based around Armagnac, which is a French grape brandy. Honestly, you could use the brandy of your choice here, but because it's French, and I actually happen to have some Armagnac, has to be made in the Armagnac region of France, and there's also a few other rules around calling something Armagnac. This is the aged one, the VSOP. I'm using yellow chartreuse. It actually called for an incredibly obscure yellow herbal liqueur. And I went, you know what? Yellow chartreuse, and there's also some maraschino liqueur in there, and a dash of bitters. Altogether, it's a really nice colour, and I just want to taste it and see if it measures up. Ooh, oh, that's working really well. I thought it looked good on paper. It tastes good in the glass too. This is how we make it. In a mixing glass, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of Armagnac, or the brandy of your choice. Then we're doing half an ounce or 15 mils of yellow chartreuse, half an ounce or 15 mils of maraschino liqueur, and then 1 dash of aromatic bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. Now I'm straining that into a chilled Nick and Nora glass. For a garnish, we're doing a maraschino cherry on a skewer. That combination of spirit and liqueurs, it's kind of a cousin of a Manhattan with a French element in there. Doesn't directly translate, but those things, like a Manhattan is the spirit and the aromatized wine. This is the spirit and the liqueurs. Still, it's a winning combo. This one has come out really well. I particularly love how the yellow chartreuse is coming through. It's not overpowered by the other things, but it also isn't dominating. I really do recommend you try this one. Let's not worry about what it's really called and just give a cheer to Maud.